Alright guys, welcome back to Mudrunner. In this video I'm going to be exploring more of Oxford County, the rebuild. We're going to be F1 Lines Patrol again. Alright, let's get into it. And we're going to turn here. There we go. Bit of water. Okay. Get some more water. Let's get us in ascendant mode. Let's go for it. That's it. Killing it, mate. He's a monster. I've got to go. What a beast. Oh, there's another track that way. Yeah, I think we'll turn. We'll explore this last bit of the map on this side, and then that bit's done. I've got some other vehicles we can bring along and use to explore more of this map. Set the old cruise control for a minute. Really like these watery muddy spots. It's pretty good. Hopefully we get some nice rocky spots. Oh, here we go. Speaking of which. See if the handbrake works. Oop. Oh. Give myself a thumbnail before I forget. Whoa. Should have been watching where I was going. Could have been bad. So come on, go. Get some power. That's it. I should really start trying to use my wheel on Mudrunner. I mean, I've got my microphone stand now, so I can sort of sit more comfortably. It's just the gearing you can't use in your low range. You only got like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. You don't have the actual low range, which is what's annoying about it. I guess if I start using it, I can get used to it. Yeah, I reckon next video I might use the wheel. Because when I play ATS, I always use the steering wheel. They just start doing it. Yes. But ooh, excuse me. Oh, we've got some more mud. Let's just go for it. I already are in high. See if it goes in quick red auto. Wow. Gonna break something doing this. Sending it through with this. Got a monster. Alright, let's slow down now. Patrol's starting to smoke up, see? It's taking an absolute beating. I'm waiting for the rocky trails. Yeah, we've got a little bit coming up. Really like the flowers in this map. I'm pretty sure at night time too, they actually, what's the word? They sort of like glow, I think. I really want to try it, but I'm worried that might wreck that, crash the game. Let's stop and try. I'm scared to do it. No, didn't crash anything. How's that? See the flowers all nice and sort of glow a bit. They do look nice. Alright, let's go back to daytime. You can only do that. You can only do that with the dev tools options. Otherwise, if you have it, no dev tools, it's just a normal cycle. You've got your day and night. Ooh, got a little rock climb coming up. This little bumpy spot. Let's get this wheel up on there and get some flex. Can we? Nah, messed that one up. Still going up though. Hopefully we don't high send it too much. And of course, my good driving. Let's go back a little bit. Try and go up the side of this rock a bit if we can get some grip. I wasn't going to high center again, I think. It's trying to grip. Maybe the front wheels might. Come on. Nothing. Give it some more power. Nah. It's not gonna work. Let's go. Try and get up on this rock a bit more, I think. Without sliding over too much. And I've just gone back to the exact same spot. I want to be on the other side of the rock a bit more, to the right there. I need to get that angle so the front doesn't smash up against the witch. Come on. Stay up. So yeah, keep moving back into the middle. Just keep sliding. Alright, one more try and I'm going to use the winch. I don't want to be stuck here the whole video. I want to be up on this rock. It's pretty steep. It's asking for quite a bit to do this. Oh, look at that. Getting some flex going on, and I'm steering the wheel off just to back off. That's a bit better. This might work. Now the back bit doesn't want to come up. Come on, that's it. Come on. Oh, I feel like it wants to. Come on. Oh, I'm so close. Slow this down a bit and see if we can get some grip. Come on. Like right there. Any minute now. There's that back wheel a little bit there. Maybe if we come over a bit more. Now I'm going off the track a bit. Not really ideal on that. I'm going off the track there. Still going off the track. Man, I messed that one up. Pretty steep. Might just go around this bit, I reckon. Oh, we're just going back to the middle again. Come on. Wheel up. Surely now, come on. Really didn't want to go for the winch, but I'm thinking I'm gonna have to. I mean, you could easily enough go around the rocks, but yeah, winch time. Oh well, it happens. What's next? No track through. I wasn't sure if there's a track that goes through that water or not. No track though. We'd already been through this spot. Oh, almost. Anyway, that's where we stopped. Past the other video. Oh. Got a bit of flex going on here. Wasn't too bad. I'll watch on drum. I'm just going everywhere now. And that's what we've explored with the patrol anyway, so in the next video we'll do get some more exploring done. We'll go through this next water bit and then I'm going to call it a day with this one. But I do have some more vehicles, but if there's any of the vehicles that you've seen in previous videos, if you want to see any of those in this map, just comment down below and let me know. Whoa, see what I can do. Alright guys, I'm going to end up here. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.